All right, I've got a 2001 Honda Accord here. In a previous video, we have a 2007 Honda Pilot, and your power steering makes a whiny noise when you start the car or turn. Also, you can also check your fluid down here if there's bubbling. It typically means that there's air in the system, and if that is the issue, then all you have to do, simple little fix, is replace the O-rings inside. Now on the Pilot, there's a few actually different places where you can fix the O-rings, but on here, it's just going to be just right here. You have these two little bolts right here. There's one, two, and there's little 10mm bolts. You pop that open, and there's an O-ring inside, and then just replace that. And the guy at the dealership actually gave me two red ones as well. He said the black one goes on that, and that's just the high side, but he also gave me two red ones. I guess on older models, over here, there's a bolt that you take off, and there's a little nipple inside which has an O-ring, but I guess on these little later models, they don't have that. So another guy on YouTube had the same issue and kind of was told the same thing and just replaced the single one. So we're going to go ahead and crack this open here, and we'll go from there. Alright, so right here, you just got the 10mm here and here. So we're going to crack these open, and then got our paper towel over here because it'll start to leak a little bit. Oh, come on. There we go. There's the first one. There's the second. Alright, we'll just undo these here. I'll take a look inside. Let's stick that one there. Alright, hopefully it doesn't leak out too much. Try this with one hand here. Alright. So you see, there's the O-ring just right there. See? So we'll pop that off and just replace it with the other one. And then just adjust it, and we'll go from there. Alright, here's the ring. Mine actually just, you can tell how brittle it is, how dry it is. So that's a sign of a worn one. Also, it's not very roundish anymore. Also, to get it off, I just used, if you get some little fingernail clippers with the edge on it, it makes for a easier thing to get off it. So let's put the other one back on here, and then we'll put the bolts back on. It is not focusing there, is it? There we go. So we'll put that back on and screw it back on, and the noise should be gone. So once again, 2001 Honda Accord power steering O-ring replacement.